is seen Krishna in the water. Every time he is seen Krishna. Bhayat. Why afraid? Krishna will kill him. Why Krishna will kill him?
Wise.
They know from the years. Few fortune tellers. They said the Krishna will kill, not Krishna, the son of Devaki in the eighth son, whose number is 8. Who killed Kansa? And every step is in Krishna. Hayat and Dvesa, Viddesh, Sisupa, Dvantavakra, hate, jealousy, any kind of, that is Viddesh, Desat. Because Krishna was deprived by Shishupal was deprived by Krishna because the brother of Rukmini liked to offer his sister to Shishupal, but his father is not like it. But he cannot say against his son because he was associated with Narakasur, Banasur, Jarasandha, all the demons. So, his son was more powerful than the father of Rukmini. So, he cannot speak any word against his son Rukma. But Rukmini wrote a letter to Krishna through Brahmins and said, you go immediately with this letter. Then Krishna read the letter and he decided to kidnap Rukmini. How is it possible? The way of kidnapping narrated by Rukmini. It is our custom. Before marriage, the girl went to the temple of Devi to perform puja. And when I returned from the Devi temple to snatch me, he narrated later. Krishna come from Dwaraka and staying there, nobody can object it because so many princes come there to see the marriage ceremony. So it is welcome. Nobody can protest. But Krishna, hidden in the garden of fruits. When Rukmini, first of all, Rukmini afraid. He afraid me because the Brahma is not returned. It is not a good that I write Krishna. If you think I am not a real person, then he afraid. When the Brahmin, they told the whole the history, then is when Rukmini returned from the temple, Devi temple, Vimala Devi, and see where is Krishna. Immediately he reached to his Viman. Krishna snatched Rukmini, kidnapped Rukmini, and placed in his own Viman. But this Viman is not meant for the Krishna. This Viman is meant for Balaram. He is not come from his own Viman. The man can doubt, so he come in the Viman of Baladev. And when he sends Rukmini and sit in the Viman of Krishna, immediately rush Shishupal and fighting with Krishna. And his brother also helped Shishupal. Then Krishna tied Shishupal, his hands in the Viman, and he liked to finish Rukma. But by the request of Rukmini, he saved. But he cutting his ears and such. In the meantime, Baladev reached there with the Viman of Krishna. He reached there. And he compromised and opened Shishupal, and they arranged for marriage. So that very day, even the temple arranged and the Brahmins uttered the mantra and marriage, Krishna marriage Rukmini, and all the audience, they are taking prasadam from the temple. And there was everything, bomb and everything was Krishna. Every day altered his clothes. So there is no need for washerman. But in this Snana Jatra, Krishna used that dress where he used in the marriage day. Only that day he repeat one cloth. That is called Snana Jatra. So, as Krishna is all blissful, so any attempt you can get bliss. Mangalmay. If anything is made out of sugar, like goat, cow, elephant, made out of sugar. You see, like this. It was sold in the time of Deepavali, so much in Vrindavan. So if you touch through your tongue from the leg, it will, what kind of taste you get? Sweet. And from the mouth, from the hand, everything. So, as the Bhagavan is the Mangalmay, from any attempt, you get Mangal. Any attempt. Kama, this or Boya. Everything. Snap. Everything. The other gopis, their affection to Krishna more than their own son. They like to feed Krishna in his own hand because it is not possible for them, as Krishna is the son of Yashoda and Nanda. I had 4, 5 cow, but Nanda Maharaj had 9 lakhs. That is called Nanda. If less than 9 lakh, then you are Upananda. If more than 5 lakhs, 12 lakhs, you are Brijavanu. According to the number of cow. Yes. It is the speciality of Krishna. Who want Krishna heartily, Krishna will grace. In what kind of affection? As a husband, as a friend, as a son, everything he accepts. But no other incarnation of Krishna like that. Dandakaranya Rishigan want to serve Ram in Madhur ras. Madhur ras. It may be husband or not. So, Ram told it is not possible for me. You have to wait for Krishna Leela. It is the specialty of Krishna Leela. Krishna can give all kind of ras. He can distribute all kind of ras because he is the embodiment of Santo, Dasya, Sukha, Vatsalya, Madhur. So can no others. And except Krishna, they are not God. God means Bhagavan. Krishnastu Bhagavan. Why? Now, only Krishna is the embodiment of all rasas. All ras is Krishna. But Vatsalya also in also in Vasudev Devaki and Kausalya Dasarath, but they are not identical because the Vatsalya of Kausalya Dasarath dominated by the rule. So he compelled to allow Rama's Vanavas because he promised to give to Kaikeyi. So by his promise he compelled to accept the promise. And although Devaki and Vasudeva, they are not they are also promised. I offered all my sons to Kansa. And also he offered 6. But when he see Sankha, Chakra, Gala, Padma, so he changed his mind. No, I cannot offer Kansa because he is my Aradhari. So, if I not act as my promise, then I have to go to hell. Yet, I never. I am ready to go hell, but not to offer Krishna to Kansa. So he is very afraid, and by this time what to do? So he pray from Krishna. You change your appearance. You change from this to like a baby. But Krishna will not accept his prayer. Then Devaki he prays. If you bless me and accept my prayer and you appear as my son, then you have to change it and like a son. Otherwise nobody believe it that you are my son. Then Krishna changed his appearance and like a small boy. Immediately Vasudeva think, I keep this boy to my friend house? No. How is it possible for me to go there? But the change was not at that time. The girl, they are sleeping with sound sleep, and the jail was light, and he take the baby and went us. Nobody seen that Vasudeva going, and there was a sound of thunder, because no sound but the light. Why the light? To show the road. And when he reached near Jamuna, he see Jamuna was full or by water. Then immediately fox crossed the river to show I am a little fox, I can go. Why you are afraid? Then Vasudeva, but Jamuna will like to touch his head. So Jamuna immediately Vasudeva left his son under Jamuna. Immediately Jamuna returned his current from south to north. Then this was clear, no water. He take his sword and went to Gokul. That time the guard, night guard of Nanda Maharaj, they are sleeping. All the door was open, and also Jasoda was sleeping. Nobody can see that Vasudeva came there, and he changed his son and take the daughter of Nanda, and the son of Vasudeva Devaki is compiled with the son of Nanda Maharaj, because Jasoda gave both a son and a daughters. How is it possible? How you are understand? In Bhagavad you never seen this. But Bhagavad narrate these things in the other way. Other way means when Akrur by the order of Kansa reached Vrindavan to Krishna and Balaram, both in the function of Dhanur Yajna. But Yashoda not allowed his son to go to Mathura. But Nanda Maharaj told it is a prestigious thing because they sent chariot. It is a great respect. Then Yashoda offered Krishna to Nanda. You are responsible to return Krishna. And Akrur, when reached near Jamuna, that is called Akrur Ghat, and he take bath in Jamuna. He seen there Krishna and also in chariot. Again, he in the water and seen Krishna is there and also in chariot. Krishna asked, you seen anything? But not reply. What do you mean by it? The son of Yashoda not to go Mathura. The son of Devaki to go to Mathura. He killed Kansa, Kubalapid, elephant, Chanur, Mustik. Everything. Vasudev, Yashoda seen this? Hey, Vasudev, Devaki? No. They are in the jail. But Nanda Maharaj seen all this in his own eye. Yet Nanda Maharaj never think that Krishna is not my son. He is seen through his ear. The Krishna killed Chanur Mustik, Krishna killed elephant, Kubalapid, Krishna killed Kansa. Only seen by his ear, not eye. But Nanda Maharaj seen in his own eye. Yet he thinks, Krishna is my son. Is there any effect in the mind of Nanda Maharaj to see these things? And seen Krishna killed Putna, Krishna killed Bakasur, Krishna killed Oghasur, Krishna left Govardhan, Krishna control Kalyanad, everything they see it. their own oil. Yet they are not thinking that Krishna is not my son. Hey, you take it. Now that take. जा उसमें से कर take it. You take it.
Ajde slana.
Is there anybody?
Means sweet.
Is there anybody?
Sure.
Nothing. Take it.
I was thinking I'm the only one unfortunate. All get Jagannath Prasad, only me. I don't get. But you get Tulsi.
It is meant for you.
Помоги мне закрыть.